Two other angle pair relationships that I want to talk about here really quickly. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. All right, complementary angles are a pair of angles. They can be adjacent or non-adjacent. Okay, there's no specific requirement for that, but it's a pair of angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Okay, supplementary angles, on the other hand, are a pair of angles, once again, either adjacent or non-adjacent. Whose sum is 180 degrees. Okay, so when you're looking at complementary angles, if you look at this pair, angles 1 and 2, you can see that together they add up to 90 degrees, so are those complementary? Yes. What about supplementary angles? Would a linear pair be considered supplementary angles? Yeah, all linear pair are supplementary. Is it true that supplementary angles are a linear pair? Sometimes, always, or never true. A pair of supplementary angles are a linear pair. Would that be sometimes, always, or never true? Sometimes. Here's a case where it is, but you could also take, even let's just say, a set with respect to intersecting lines. Oops, let's go 5, 6, 7. Okay. So are angles 5 and 8 supplementary angles? Yes. Are they a linear pair? Yeah, so 5 and 8 fit both of those. What about 5 and 7? Are those supplementary angles? Yeah, they add up to 180, but are they a linear pair? No. So it's possible sometimes, but not always. Okay. One of the ways that I generally teach to remember these two words, because they are sometimes mixed up, is when you look at the spelling of them. Complementary has 1 P, supplementary has 2 P's. If you were to look at kind of a mirror image of P, what number does that look like? P in a mirror would be 9. So if you think of that as 19 or 190, and then supplementary has 2 90s, what do 2 90s add up to? 180, and 190 is just itself. Okay. Whatever way you use to remember that, you can also think of it as alphabetical. C comes before S, 90 comes before 180. And just make sure you don't get those confused or mixed up. Otherwise, you might miss points for what should be a relatively easy type of question. All right.